Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Jonathan Coase, and in today's free AI/SEO training, I'm going to be sharing with you a plugin and extension that you can use to actually use your voice to communicate with ChatGPT. That way, you're not using your keyboard and doing all that typing every single time, especially if you use it for a lot of different uses, such as creating articles or creating blog posts for your industry or your niche. So the really cool thing about this is it has an interrupt flow, so you can hold down the space bar and start talking, and your currently generated conversation will stop in its tracks. So that means if it's still going, it's still talking to you, just hold down the space bar. I have a couple of different SEO prompts that I'm going to use as an example, providing information before ChatGPT starts generating content. Writing blog posts with ChatGPT is more efficient when using pre-made workflows or prompt stacks, especially for SEO articles. So there's a lot of different example prompts that you can use. For an example, give me 15 unique long tail keywords based off of the Central Seed ketogenic diet, and make sure that the options are beginner friendly and convenient. And as you can see, I don't have to type on the keyboard or anything like that. I can just give it the prompt and boom, and it saves a lot of time, especially when you're blogging and creating articles. But you can actually import them into the desktop version of ChatGPT. Now on here, they don't have the actual plugin this because this is the desktop application. But if you upgrade to GPT-4 and use it on your phone, they actually have a feature where you can use voice. But on here specifically, you can import prompts and then use the slash feature to instantly access them, so you're not constantly having to either memorize them or copy and paste them. They'll all be in there for your usage. This makes the process a lot more efficient and it speeds things up tremendously. Another thing that I want to show you is you can actually make it a lot easier for you by changing the actual custom instructions, so it's not just giving you a lot of general information. So when you go here to custom instructions, you can give it information about yourself. So where you're based, what do you do for work, what your hobbies and your interests are, what subjects can you talk about for hours. Basically just give it information about yourself, so it pulls from that context in the conversations, and then you can tell ChatGPT how to respond. You want it to be back and forth, you want it to be casual, you want it to be concise, you want it to be to the point, you want it to be about bullet points, you want it to be in table format. So you can actually put custom instructions in here, and it makes things a lot more useful for getting the most out of voice conversations. So I'll leave these example SEO prompts in the description. It really helps you out, especially when you're creating SEO optimized articles. For an example, from the list of 30 seed keywords you provided, identify the top 5 you think are most important for immediate focus and then explain why. Group the following 20 keywords into clusters based on topic relevance. And you can actually give them that keyword list and then tell them to give the output in a table format. So I'll go ahead and do that. I'll start where I left off. And you just want to make sure that you click on the space here and not in the message box, because if you have it in the message box, when you click on space, it's just going to keep on going, the actual space bar. Just make sure that you click outside of this dark area right here. And then when you click on space, it'll start recording, as you can see. So now I can say, give me the results in a table of 5 columns. And as you can see, it'll start to create that column for me. You can use these prompts. There's a lot more prompts. These are just examples. Here's some more prompts that you can use to import into the desktop application. And I'll leave this in the description. This is from GitHub. These are awesome ChatGPT prompts. And be sure to check this extension out. This is how you can converse with ChatGPT without having to typing, all right? So that's pretty much it for this video. I'm using all of this right now to load up my website for health and fitness tips, as well as my main site that's under construction right now because I'm creating the coaching and consulting tab, as well as the store for my home business blueprint. So I'm using these tools, AI, as well as these resources that I'm sharing with you to optimize and refine my own websites as well. So I'll keep you posted in development on all of this. The blog is still up, so all you really got to do is just click on that. It'll take you directly to what my website used to look like on the home page. And as you can see, I still have the limitless traffic formula, which helps you to generate droves of high quality target traffic to your business on a consistent basis. And if you click on it, it doesn't even take you into the funnel where I give you a 5-day free video training that goes along with the limitless traffic formula. If you click on this, it's going to take you directly to the Google Docs. You have instant access to it and you don't have to put your email or anything like that. So if you do want the free 5 videos that go with this document, then I recommend clicking on the website Limitless Traffic Formula. You'll see it in the description. But if you go here, I basically just walk you through, as I'm doing right now in this video, sort of like an over-the-shoulder method on how to get consistent droves of high-quality targeted traffic to your business on a consistent basis without having to spend money on advertising or bug friends and family to do any type of cold marketing, etc. I even give you the answer format and the etiquette, as well as a daily action plan plus traffic cheat sheet. So if you go to limitlesstrafficformat.com, you can actually get that for free with the free 5-day training. And that's pretty much it for this video. So if you like content like this, then I highly recommend that you check out my website, jonathancoast.com. I talk about everything when it comes to generating traffic and increasing sales. And be sure to take a look at the tools and the resources below. I have everything that I included in this training. And with that said, I will see you in the next video. See you then.